to change your Binance currency. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the currency on Binance account. So first thing we do is we go to Binance app, and as you can see this is the homepage. Now if you want to change the currency, you need just to go to your profile icon here and then go to settings, and after that you will find currency here, and you can choose what you want, what currency you want here, like UAE dirham and the euro here, as you can see, and there is many choices. You choose what you want. And if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and thank you so much for watching till the end.